Awesome. So, kiddo, how many scoops?
3.
3. Hello, everybody. We are here. This is part 2 of our Christmas meal series. Start off by saying Merry Christmas, everybody. Hope you're having a great December full of laughter, love, and, of course, food. Today we are doing...
Enjoying giving.
Enjoying giving, exactly. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh, you hit the nail on the head there, kiddo. Okay, so why don't you go ahead and tell us what we're doing today.
So we're making the
pasta from,
I guess, from Elf that Buddy makes.
Yep.
Or spaghetti pasta.
Yeah, spaghetti pasta. Yeah.
We have spaghetti, marshmallows.
Now, in the movie, he used multicolored marshmallows. I couldn't find them when I was looking at the store, so they should be multicolored. They're not. They're just the white marshmallows.
Marshmallows, chocolate and caramel syrup.
Yes.
Frosted chocolate fudge Pop-tarts.
Mm-hmm.
M&Ms. If I can get to the Sno-caps. And maple syrup.
Maple syrup. That's great. So we'll start this off. So there's 2 things here which he didn't actually put on camera. That is maple syrup and the caramel syrup. So they were on the table in the video. So I think with that deductive reasoning, we can assume he used maple syrup and caramel on his pasta. And if not, that's okay too. But I mean, we definitely did see him use maple syrup in a previous clip of the movie. So I think that's probably assumed he would have put maple syrup on.
In coffee and the spaghetti.
Definitely maple syrup and coffee. Well, that's delicious. Okay, I think we're ready to begin here. Why don't you start us off? What goes first?
So first, he got a big plate of spaghetti.
Mm-hmm.
Then he poured Sno-caps on.
Sno-caps. Okay, you go for it. Being so so gentle with it. There you go. Now what?
Then that's good.
Okay.
Then he put a big handful of marshmallows.
Show me how it's done.
Like that.
Ah, perfect.
He put multiple handfuls, I think, actually.
Really? Yeah, I think that's pretty good there. I think it looks pretty good.
A little more.
Mm-hmm. All right. I'm going to take this time to put the syrup on. I think after this, next is the chocolate.
It's the chocolate syrup.
Chocolate syrup. Okay. I'm going to put maple syrup first. While I'm doing that, you can put chocolate syrup on if you want. And I'm going to put the caramel syrup too.
Ooh, that's chocolatey. It's chocolatey.
Oh, it's so good. Okay.
Then he put the M&Ms on.
That's right. Did you put the caramel on?
Yeah.
Great. Okay, M&Ms. Go
I
for
can
it.
see it.
Oh yeah. Just making sure. I didn't know if that was the caramel sauce or the maple syrup.
That's the maple syrup. That's the chocolate. That's the caramel.
Oh, okay. Great.
That'd be the M&M.
Uh-oh.
I did got a marshmallow.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, earlier.
I don't think you even want some. What's next?
Probably not.
Yep.
Picky dog. Pop-tarts.
Pop-tarts? Okay.
He put 2 on, but we're just gonna put 1 each.
1 each, yeah.
Like it will even come out of the package. I can pull them.
Here you go. frosted chocolate fudge. I can't wait.
And he broke them in half and then kind of like
Yeah,
just
I'm gonna do
put them on.
Yep, perfect.
He just did that. But I'm gonna
Pretty
break them
good.
up more so I can actually eat them.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. No kidding.
There, not enough caramel.
All right. Time to eat.
I already ate.
That's right. As we're taking the picture, the ingredients around the edge kept disappearing. Let's dive into this thing. Mix it up.
Mix, eat, enjoy.
Mix. That's right. Enjoy. Ingredients keep falling off.
Ingredients.
I'm sure it sounds great in camera. All this slurping sound.
One reason I don't like eating spaghetti is I can never get it on all the way on my fork.
Yeah. I think sometimes people cut it in half when they cook it. What do you think? What happened or two? I'm not sure why I'm still eating this. All right, I better push the plate away before I eat this whole thing and become completely sick. I think I'm already halfway there. Definitely a very distinct flavor. I would not recommend it if you want a diet. Maybe if you're on a seafood diet.
Seafood?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
If you see food, you eat it. Again, just want to say thanks for watching. This is the second video for our Christmas meal series. We did the home. No, we didn't do Home Alone. We did a Christmas Story meal, which we did meatloaf, mashed potatoes, and red cabbage and fudge. Today we're doing the elf spaghetti, elf pasta. We should have had some Coke with us too and drinking 2 liters together, but shucks. We have some other videos lined up in the queue. Can't wait to get those going too. So to celebrate this great holiday season, this great Christmas season that we're in. So I want to say again, thanks for watching. Hope you have a great Christmas season and Merry Christmas. And as always,
New Year.
And Happy New Year. And as always,
keep barbecuing America.
Yeah.
And
Cheers.
eating candy.
And eating candy. Oh, I have nothing to cheers with. I should have had my coffee with syrup. Thanks, everybody. Take care.
Cheers.
Oh, cheers. Want to do it?
No. Because I want to. I was doing this.
Okay.
So I can actually taste the chocolate.
Yeah. Want some, honey? It's delicious.
No thanks.
Oh, missing out.